Hi guys, so today I have created this cool toned smoky cut crease with a pop of glitter liner. If you like this look and want to see how I achieved this, then please keep watching. So I've already filled in my brows and used a concealer for my eyeshadow base. The first colour I'm going to be taking for my eyeshadow is this one right here, this light orangey colour on a big fluffy blending brush. And I'm starting by taking big windshield wiper motions to put that above my crease. Then I'm taking a smaller blending brush and taking this dark brown colour here and taking that just a bit further down than where I put that orange colour. Again using them windshield wiper motions. I'm also taking the same brown colour on the outer corner of my eye, just patting that on. To make sure I'm happy with that blend, I'm going back in with that first orange on the same blending brush and just using circular and backwards and forwards motions to make sure that brown and light orange are blended nicely together. I'm again going back in with this dark brown just to make sure it's as dark as I want it, and you can just keep repeating the step until you're happy with the pigment of that colour. Then on this little brush I'm going to be taking this black and carefully taking that on my outer corner to darken. I'm now going to cut my crease using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I'm then going to set that concealer with a light matte shade. I sometimes find it easier to press the eyeshadow in with my finger. I'm just going to blend that into the brown. Taking this little brush again, making sure there's no product on, I'm going to start using little wiggling motions to blend these two together. When I'm happy with that blend, I'm just taking the black shade again on this brush to deepen up the outer corner, making sure not to get too close to that blend. For the last step of this look, I am going to be taking my Too Faced glitter eyeliner and I'm going to be lining where I've cut my crease. Now just to do the other eye successfully. Okay, it sort of worked. I'm now going to move on to my face before I finish off my under eyes, and I'm taking my Hourglass Stick Foundation. And I'm taking my beauty blender to blend that in properly. Make sure to blend it down the neck because we don't want any foundation lines. I'm then going in with I do this every time. I'm then going in with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and before I go under my eyes I'm just going to go above my eyebrows so I can get nice and close without ruining them. And then very carefully taking my beauty blender to dab that and make sure it's blended with the foundation. I'm then going to conceal under my eyes. And again, to get close to my eyeshadow and give it a nice sharp line, I'm going to take this flat concealer brush. Just very carefully create a wing shape. And then taking my beauty blender to blend the rest of that in. To set that concealer, I'm going to quickly take some of my Laura Mercier translucent powder and a smaller beauty blender and press that in. To set the rest of my face, I'm taking my Rimmel London matte translucent powder and on a big fluffy blending brush, just pressing that in. And then taking my Urban Decay Naked Flush palette and taking the bronzer just to bronze my cheeks. I'm also taking that on my forehead. I'm then going to take the blush in this palette and smile and place this on my apples of my cheeks and blending this into the bronzer. So I find the highlight in this palette a little bit too subtle for my liking, so I'm going in with my Becca Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Moonstone. I'm highlighting my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, and also take a tiny bit on the inner corner of my eye. I've just realised I've not put any bronzer on my nose, so I'm going to go back and do that right now. So I'm going to now finish off my eyes, starting with my under eyes, and I'm just going to take this darkest brown colour on a really flat, precise brush. Just run that as close to my lash line as possible. And then on this much fluffier brush, I'm going to be taking the orange colour and blending underneath that dark colour to really smoke out the under eye. I'm then going to do my eyelashes. So first, just taking some mascara. I'm taking the Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara and just putting a small coating of this on. I'm just taking some quite natural wispy lashes today for this look, and I'm just applying a thin layer of glue to the lash band. I'm then going to wait about a minute for that to dry, as if you try to apply lashes when they're too wet, they just slide all over the place and they don't stick. This is if I can't even remember how to put false lashes on after having extensions for about a year. Let's give this a go. Okay, yeah, that didn't work. Attempt number 4. I think I've done it. Hallelujah. Once I've stuck that lash down, I'm then going to go back in with my mascara to make sure that the lash blends in with my natural lashes. The last thing I'm going to do is my lips, and I'm first going in with the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Ginger. And I'm then taking a lip gloss from NYX. So this is my finished makeup look. I hope you enjoyed the video and you like the look that I've created. I definitely miss my eyelash extensions because it took me 4 attempts to put one eyelash on. If you like this look, give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one.